This is some amazing footage from the Seaworld Foundation. A team of experts from the Seaworld Foundation have rescued a bottlenose dolphin, and this baby dolphin sadly was caught in some fishing lines. So the rescue operation near Batterman's Bay, New South Wales, was to entangle the fishing lines from a bottlenose dolphin calf, a baby calf. And let's see how these guys do it. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, so that would be what's on the reel going down.
They spotted the dolphin and they're going to jump into the water. Absolutely amazing. First two go in, and then a third one will follow. There's a third one going in. There we go. And they grab hold of the dolphin. There's a dolphin.
Yeah. All right. Ready? Yeah. Are you happy, Claire? One, two.
And there we go. The dolphin goes free. Absolutely amazing. I love stories like this. Isn't that absolutely fascinating? So well done to the crew and people at the Seaworld Foundation from Australia. Well done, guys. And hats off to you guys. Keep up the fabulous work of saving our marine life from netting and fishing and plastic in the ocean. Stay well, look after yourself, and keep up the fabulous work.